the village where time stands still, hidden in the mountains of Italy. Location: Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy. Arrival and history. In the heart of Italy, perched high on a crumbling cliff, sits a tiny village that feels frozen in time. No cars, no modern noise, just stone paths, ancient arches, and a silence that tells 1,000 stories. Welcome to Civita di Bagnoregio, the dying city that's very much alive. To reach Civita, you walk. There are no roads that lead into the village, just a long footbridge suspended above a dramatic valley. But as you cross, you're stepping into another world, a world that dates back over 2,500 years. Founded by the Etruscans and shaped by centuries of earthquakes, landslides, and time, Civita stands like an island in the sky. Its nickname? La città che muore, the dying city. And yet, it survives, quietly, magically. Life in Civita. Only a handful of people still live here year-round, fewer than 20 in fact. They walk the same narrow alleys their ancestors did, buy bread from the same family-run bakery, and drink wine in candlelit corners untouched by time. There are no cars, no streetlights, no supermarkets, just cobblestones, blooming balconies, and bells echoing from the old church in the village square. Civita isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a reminder that slowness can be sacred. Culture and views. Artists and writers come here for inspiration. Photographers chase golden hour through weathered archways. Tourists whisper almost instinctively, as if loud voices might break the spell. And the views? They're like a painting. Rolling hills layered in green and gold, olive trees, terracotta rooftops, a stillness that wraps around you like a warm Italian breeze. Civita offers more than scenery. It offers perspective on life, on history, on what really matters, sunset and reflection. As the sun sets behind the valley, Civita glows. The stone turns orange, then gold, then disappears into a sea of stars. You'll see couples holding hands, locals lighting lanterns, and maybe, if you listen closely, nothing at all. Because here, silence is the soundtrack. And for a moment, it's easy to forget the rush of the outside world. Thank you for joining me in Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy's quietest miracle. If this peaceful escape touched your heart, subscribe to Global Wanderer for more hidden gems and soul-soothing adventures. Until next time, travel slowly and live deeply.